Hey, how you doing? This is me, Keith, aka Gary Coleman lookalike. Gary Coleman, whatever. Yeah, Gary Coleman stunt man, so to speak. Anyways, this is another tale of the take of the Mazda RX-7. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm just making a bracket. Not really making a bracket like something professional, just a regular little bullshit bracket for my fuel pressure regulator. Because you see, I got it all hooked up, as you saw in the last video. And I just need to hang it somewhere where it'd be somewhere where it won't be in the way, and at the same time very visible, while the car is running, so I could observe fuel pressure. All I did was I bought this little stay bracket from Home Depot, just an aluminum little piece, nothing crazy, because this right here is not like it's a heavyweight or anything of that nature. It's not like, oh my god, this is so heavy, and it ain't gonna really vibrate alongside the engine. So I decided to hang it right here. At first I was gonna do like a little L coming up from this bolt, going here, going under here, and coming up. But I thought about it, since the return is a straight down, it'll obviously run that return right here. I'll show you that part. Since the return goes straight down, it would obviously interfere with going down, hitting right into it, and I'd have to drill a big hole just to put a return through it, and I didn't really think it was worth all that. So I just said, you know what, let me find another spot, and I realized, oh wait, this spot is free and open. Let me just get myself a little small L bracket, make a little L to keep it, to avoid the lines. Very easy to remove. All right, avoid the lines, the hard lines, and just hang my fuel pressure regulator there. And the great thing is like it goes straight down into the fuel system, to feed the return and the breather. So yeah, all I did was just make like a little Z and hung it right there. So in a few minutes I'll just screw the regulator onto that, and yeah, it should just stay right there. All right, got it just about bolted down. If you can see, that's more than just two not Phillips, but hex bolts. Sound like Children of the Corn. It's a Spanish edition. Through the magic of editing, which is basically pressing the pause button on my phone, nice and tight. There we go. Fuel pressure regulator installed. Now, as you can see, car has a fuel pressure regulator in that spot. Shouldn't interfere with anything. There we go. All right, Keith out.